quick video, guys. I don't know how well this is gonna come in, but I just wanted to show the Neo Geo AES running with the new Retrotink 2X Pro with the Scanlines on. I think it looks phenomenal. I'm really digging this. Now on the Neo Geo, it doesn't seem like I really need to turn the brightness up. However, with other systems I've tried, I did need to crank the brightness a little bit just because the Scanlines give the appearance of a darker screen. So I wanted to show you how I have this hooked up because it's kind of interesting how I did this. So we're running the Neo SD Pro. And what we're doing is we are coming out of the Neo Geo SCART into the new Retrotink Transcoder. It's a SCART to component adapter. And then what I have some male-to-male barrel jacks, RCA adapters that you can see over here, these three, that plug into each other just to keep it a nice short length. And then over here, I have male to female 90-degree adapters for the audio, because I come out of my Neo Geo with a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to RCA, just because then I could get stereo out of it. So I got the 90-degree jacks so that it fits in between here. I don't know if you guys can make that out or not. And this is pretty awesome. You can see we got the green light on, which indicates that we're running the Retrotink Pro in component mode. And what I did for the power, just to show you guys, because unfortunately they both have to get powered, they both take a micro USB. So what I did was I got this cool converter here, or not converter, but a splitter basically. So I have a female end here and it goes to two male ends. So that way I just don't have to have two power supplies coming to this. And the plug I'm using also has its own power cable, or power on and off switch right here. And this is actually I believe it's a 2 amp USB plug. I went big just in case. These really don't take much power, and from what I understand, they are meant to work with even the weakest power supplies, so it should work fine. So I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys the new Retrotink Transcoder, all right, which is basically SCART to component, and then into the Retrotink 2X Pro, coming out HDMI, and it's a line doubler. And I'll show you guys, I'll boot it up. So you can see it's 480p. And right now, this is with the Scanlines. You don't have to use the Scanlines. You could turn that off. Right over here, let me see. So this is without Scanlines, just a nice sharp picture. Hope it's coming in okay. But it looks great. Hit it again and you'll get the smoother, which is the smoothing effect. Let's hit it again. Now we come up here, you'll see. You can see it kind of blurs the pixels a little bit. Smooths out the rough edges. Not a fan of this with the Neo Geo. However, I do think it looks good when I hook up my N64 with S-Video connection to this. So, quick video, guys. Just showing the new products out there by Retrotink. Retrotink 2X Pro that has the ability to put Scanlines, and also the Transcoder, which will take you from SCART to component. And in the future, they are going to be releasing a Retrotink SCART, which is a direct plug and play, SCART in on one side, HDMI out on the other, with the same features, including the Scanlines. So look for that in the future. But in the meantime, this is how I set it up to try and use as few cables as possible and keep it tight. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.